Hello guys! I'm here to treat you nice. So, всем привет, that's Chris and welcome back to the new video. Today I'm here to announce a really great news that is a massive Russian giveaway where you can receive cool materials to practice Russian and increase your level. As you guys know, I've been doing their Patreon thing, and I just realized a few weeks ago that I've been doing Patreon for 1 year already. There, every week I post for my beautiful patrons one long, very cool Russian video about vocabulary or grammar or pronunciation, so all this useful and cool stuff. And today, to celebrate my 1 year Patreon anniversary, I decided to organize a huge, massive giveaway. So what that means, if you go to my Patreon page, the link you can find in the comment section of this video, if you click on it and go to the Patreon page, there you can find 3 videos you can try for free. Every video is almost 1 hour long. Their first video is absolutely for beginners, very basic Russian, very basic grammar. You will find a lot of interesting and useful information for you to try right away as you watch the video. Second video is a little bit more advanced, but also might be good practice, good challenge for you. That is on prepositional case. And the third video is vocabulary video. There I will give you one really cool technique how to increase your vocabulary, keep motivation going, and how to make Russian part of your everyday life. Well, you will see, guys. There is a lot of cool stuff in there. And the bonus number 4 is for my patrons. Every month I create 2 Anki decks, one with sentences, one with vocabulary, to practice and master their vocabulary skill. And you are welcome to try our first month 2 Anki decks there as well. So all of this is absolutely free. You will not need to subscribe to anything if you don't want. You can just go to my Patreon page and enjoy this material and celebrate my 1 year Patreon anniversary. Alright, guys, до скорого. Пока-пока. Хорошего дня.